I often say to both the parents and children attending my photo reading classes that they are giving and receiving a gift. I remember a parent who attended my photo reading workshop with their daughter who had just graduated. They were both pretty tearful on the first Friday night. Their daughter was on the verge of a breakdown and finally decided additional strategies were needed before tackling the world of work, hence attending the photo reading class. Can you imagine feeling better about yourself, learning how to tap into your genius potential at age 11? I had clawed my way there until age 32, being diagnosed with early onset Alzheimer's in my 20s. I've met many who are in their 50s, 60s, and 70s who are still on the nail-ripping, soul-destroying climb, not even realizing that help is available and that it can be delivered over the course of just one weekend. The pre-launch is now on for my in-person autumn photo reading workshop. You can also save yourself $300 of this lifetime investment that keeps on giving.